accuracy in measurement and marking are the foundations of all great joinery. Keep watching for 5 great tips. If you need to square a line across your work, don't move your square or rule to the mark. Instead, place your pencil point on the mark and move the square to the pencil. Much better. Invest in some digital calipers. Even the cheap ones are accurate enough for your woodworking projects. You can use them to measure, transfer and scribe measurements, and they are also great for setting marking gauges. Make sure you buy steel rules with indented graduations. These will be more durable and you can index your marking gauges into the grooves. This also works for marking knives. The important tools are not always expensive. You'll need one of these. This is no good. You need a sharp pencil, or better still a mechanical pencil. The lead is always the same thickness. If you want to cut good joints, use a sharp pencil. If you want to cut great joints, use a sharp knife. I do virtually all of my marking with a knife. It creates a physical edge in your work to cut to. Mark with the knife. Saw a little away from the line. And clean with a sharp chisel. Spot on. I hope you found these tips helpful. If so, please like and subscribe, or leave a comment with suggestions for further videos. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.